Welcome to Mindzita, Tech Simplified Dreams Amplified. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to add products in Shopify store step by step. Let's get started. We'll cover logging into Shopify, adding product details, images, pricing, publishing the product, and most importantly, fixing the sold out issue that many beginners face. First, go to Shopify.com and log into your Shopify account. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your Shopify dashboard, also called the admin panel. On the left-hand menu, click on Products. This is where all your store products live. Now, click the Add Product button in the top right corner. First, let's add the product title. Make it clear and descriptive. Next, scroll down to the description box. This is where you explain what the product is, the material, fit, and your brand message. Now let's add product images. Click Add Files, then upload your product images or mockups. You can drag images to reorder them. The first image will be the main product image. Scroll down to the pricing section. Enter your price, and if you want, you can also add a compare it price to show a discount. Next, select the collection. Make sure the product status is set to active. Then, click Save. Now let's check the store. Go to Online Store, open your product page, and refresh. You'll see the product is live, but wait, it says sold out. This happens because inventory wasn't added. Let's fix it. Go back to Products, open the product, scroll to Inventory, and enter a quantity, for example 100. Click Save. Now refresh the product page. As you can see, the sold out label is gone and the product is ready to purchase. And that's it. You've successfully added a product to Shopify, fixed the inventory issue, and published it to your store. If you run into any issues, contact us at info@mindzita.com or call us at 305-434-4698. At Mindzita, we offer affordable services and resolve any problem within 24 hours. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more tech tips.